Governor Nyoshin, Escom, Olilano Mashago, Olilanya, they useless like you. Did you say that your God saved you? Did you say your God saved you? This is just a preamble. All the evil plan you planned against me, all the hoodlums you gathered with your affirmation and Eziokwu and Jpac, you errant two useless men. All the atrocity, all the evil you planned against me, you tagged me that someone erased in Jpac just for Nigerian government to hook me for the rest of my life. You came out publicly. You organized your crime organizers. You organize hoodlums. You organize criminals. You organize all the criminals, on social media. You guys came to where someone kept me because I came to honor his father's burial. Oh, sorry, his father's memorial service. You guys humiliated me, and you vividly, you opened this your devilish, filtered mouth to say that Ogechi no one raised in that Jpac to tag me as a terrorist, for Nigerian government to tag me as a racist, and you're now saying that God saved you. This is just a preamble. Ishigigala nihi plan. Ishigigala. Nothing save you. Abaram ge fight me and be useless. Down running me, that be useless for the rest of your life. It doesn't matter how long and how many years it will take. But one thing for sure, it will surely come to reality. It's just a go and laugh. Gary who useless for the rest of your life. Your life will join. As far as say, ni decide kona idea plan ya with the amusu all the kidnappers who need to kidnap me to take this head. As far as na kage no yan. Who is my wish ebeno. Is my wish ebeno. Because Chanamite will not do anything for you. As far as you wish him dead, as far as you wish it, and the Nigerian government tag him as a terrorist. As far as a plan, we sit down. Sorry, as far as you sat down with all these killers, all these murderers, and planned for issue to be tagged a terrorist. This is just a number one. The next one, they will take your head. Whoever they are, anybody that attempted that move, I give titles to all of you. Uno is a target. Reject one again and take that amusu. Ogechi. Now get you evidence. If you don't bring out that evidence, more organized, just for you to hook me on the neck. Get any home poison me, menda. Because on the planet and how to take this life. And what will the plan now planning? Oh God. May that mouth you open to call God to choke you and choke your generation. May that mouth you open to choke you and punish you and punish you. Oh, see, I did it. Okay, it's apprehended life. I did it. Okay, she captured alive. Oh my God. Uno la ni jemu. Uno la pa ni jemu. Mama chike putra mo wa. Shemne why you no wa that will take my life. Mama mo watch him. This is just a preamble. Jpac, all of you, Jpac or Jpac, all of you that connived, planned evil. What people even set up an woman. Yes? All of you that tilaka. Life won't be miserable. And what can take a did I hear you saying God of Olanya instead of an idiot? Bebene kila muna chineke savory apata that video. God has done it. You are just want to get fame that you will never get. I'm wearing the promise. I didn't win the election or even election on one man. Even election okay na ngwere na-eme ga wuru person ya na okay na ngwere gị okay na ngwere gị win gị. Even Ogechi election in name, they win you because I cost you. You will never amount to anything good. You will never amount to it. That's why I say plot or evil. You went to Abuja. Are you no longer in Abuja waiting for me? Go to Abuja and wait for me. Or you come to this Lagos and take me. Chineke Bobono. The name that in the Nigerian government does not play with. You want to come and tag me that I is raising money on a plan here. Go they make expose you stupidly. Because you try to put an out on with information. You will China can run but you go China can run in the US. No. Only brother government China. Apagi Olanu Umake Haruna Kanike. You molested our children. Olilanya Musu. Look at you. You want to come and showcase camera. Hey, my God has the witch God. Which God do you impunity soul? Which God? You demonic evil soul? Which God? And then when time, video. And when time, this one just came into my because I told me 2 days or 3 days. Hey, you that bullet. Hey, you that bullet bust out your fucking. Why don't why this your empty evil head? What woogie? You planned evil against your sister. You planned evil against someone nigga one. Kata Giamo as a terrorist. May you die a miserable death. May Chineke woogie. They will come back again. Ndena chuge again. Iha ina konkoeri. Survival. They will make sure that it's especially plan one week and win. Fire to fire. Fire to fire. Let that heaven fall. Fire to fire. Suffer not the witch.
The God of Olilanya. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe on this channel, share this video, like, comment, drop your thoughts on the comment section, subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless you.